Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer your crypto coin from Bitget application to Kraken crypto application in very simple steps. We will perform all these steps using this mobile application. Please don't miss any part of this video, because if you select any wrong network, any wrong address, or if you've done any mistake, you may lose your funds. And if you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. So let's come on the Bitget application first. I have opened Bitget application on my cell phone. Now here you have to come on the asset, click on the asset. Now here you have to select the withdraw. Then you have to select the coin which you want to withdraw from Bitget application to Kraken account. Currently I have few coins, but I want to withdraw USDT from here. So I will press USDT. After that you will see two options, on chain withdrawal and internal transfer. So let me define the both options. On-chain withdrawal is used to send the crypto coins from Bitget application to another exchange, another wallet. Similarly, if you want to transfer from Bitget account to another Bitget account, then you have to use the internal transfer. So I hope you understand that which option we have to select here. You are right, we have to select on-chain withdrawal. After that, here you can see USDT coin is selected. Withdrawal network is TRC20, ERC20, BB20, HECO. Many networks are available, but you make sure that which network is available on the Kraken platform also, because you have to select the same network on the both sides. Otherwise, you may lose your fund. So first, let's come on the Kraken platform. On the Kraken platform, also you have to pay the deposit fee. So we will select the network which have less fees. Come on the Kraken account. So here you can see we have open Kraken account on my cell phone. Now here you have to come on the explore and search the asset which you want to deposit on the Kraken account. I want to deposit USDT. So here is USDT coin. Press this. After that you have to press the three dots which you can find on the top of the right. Now here you can see convert, deposit, withdraw, transaction history. So here we have to select the deposit, because we are withdrawing from the Bitget account and here we are depositing. So select the deposit. So here you can see on the Kraken platform you have to pay the deposit fee also. Just like for the Ethereum you have to pay 7.11 minimum fees. For the Arbitrum you have to pay the $2.5 fee. For the Optimism you have to pay the $2.5 fee. For the Polygon $2 fee. For the Solana is 0.40 fee. So the Solana network is very cheap here. So I will select Solana. After that, here you can see only deposited USDT from the Solana network. Deposit from other network will be lost. The minimum deposit is USDT 0.40. Select I understand. Copy this address. Now paste this address on the Bitget application with the Solana network. Now here select the Solana. Network should be same on the both sides. Also you have to pay the withdrawal fee, which is 1 USDT. Paste this address here. Now the withdrawal for the Solana on the Bitget exchange is $30. Which is quite enough. Now let's select another address and compare the minimum withdrawal amount. Come on here. Now let's select the Polygon network. For the Polygon network we have to pay the $2 fee, and I understand. Copy this address. So for the Polygon network we can withdraw minimum $0.34, but we have to deposit minimum $2 on the Kraken account. Paste this address here. We will withdraw 8 USDT from here and we have to pay the $1 fee. Press the withdraw button. Now here's confirm order. The withdrawal network is Polygon, withdrawal address is this, coin is USDT, withdrawal amount is 8 USDT, and the fee which you have to pay is $1. Press the confirm button. After that you have to complete the security verification. You will receive confirmation code on your cell phone and on the email. Let me insert the both code, and here we go. Withdrawal order has been submitted. So here you can see the coin is USDT, chain name is Polygon, withdrawal address is this, amount received is 7. Click on the view status. Now currently the request is processing. It will take maximum 15 minutes to complete this transaction. Sometimes it may take less time and sometimes it will take more time. So be patient, don't be hurry. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more amazing tutorials. So here you can see in few minutes now it says the transaction has been success. Now sometimes it shows success here, but on the Kraken platform it takes some more time. So come on the Kraken account and check this transaction. So currently it is not deposited here. Come on the portfolio, view transaction. Now here you can see depositing Tether is confirming. 7 USDT will be deposited after the confirming this transaction. Now it will take some more time to verify the transaction here, so do not worry. So here you can see after almost 5 to 10 minutes, transaction has been confirmed. 7 USDT has been deposited in our Kraken account with the network of the Polygon. You can select any network, whatever you want. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer crypto coin from Bitget application to Kraken account by following the simplest step using the mobile application. If you face any problem, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.